What's the meaning of baron? Baron. Baron.
Baron. Baron. The term baron has a few different meanings depending on the context in which it is used. In a historical context, a baron was a member of the nobility in Europe who held a rank just below that of a viscount or earl and was generally granted a parcel of land in exchange for his loyalty and military service. In modern usage, the term baron may refer to a very wealthy and powerful businessperson or entrepreneur who has significant influence in a particular industry or sector. It can also denote a person who holds a hereditary title of nobility, like Baron Rothschild in England.